Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of YouTube comments not showing in Google Chrome. If you're facing this problem, follow these steps carefully and we'll get it resolved. First, let's start by clearing your browser cookies and history. Open Google Chrome and locate the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. Click on those dots, then hover over History and select then Clear Browsing Data. This will open a new window. Here, ensure that cookies and other site data and browsing history are checked. You can leave cached images and files unchecked if you want to save some loading time for other sites. Next, set the time range. If you're unsure when the issue started, select All Time from the drop-down menu. Then click on Clear Data at the bottom right of the window. Once that's done, close the window and return to YouTube. Refresh the video page where you were experiencing the issue and check if the comments now appear. If the problem persists, the next step is to check if any browser extensions might be causing the issue. To test this, open a new incognito window. You can do this by clicking on the three vertical dots again and selecting New Incognito Window. In this mode, Chrome disables extensions by default. Navigate to YouTube in the incognito window, play a video, and check if the comments load correctly. If the comments appear in incognito mode, it indicates that one of your extensions is causing the issue. Close the incognito window and go back to the regular browser. Click on the extensions icon at the top right of Chrome and select Manage Extensions. You'll see a list of all installed extensions. Disable them one by toggling off the switches and refreshing the YouTube page after each one to identify the culprit. Common extensions that may interfere include ad blockers or tools like DFTube, which is used for distraction-free YouTube. For example, if you're using DFTube, click on its icon, go to Options, and check if the Hide Comments setting is enabled. If it is, disable that option and refresh YouTube. If you've tried these steps and the comments are still not loading, check if Chrome itself is up to date. Click on the three vertical dots, then hover over Help and select About Google Chrome. Chrome will check for updates automatically. If an update is available, install it and restart the browser. In rare cases, the issue might be with YouTube itself rather than your browser. To confirm, you can check YouTube on another browser or device. If the comments are also missing there, it's likely a temporary issue with YouTube and you may need to wait for it to be resolved. That's how you can troubleshoot and fix the issue of YouTube comments not showing on Chrome. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.